channel. On this video I'm going to unbox another bridal box. In this occasion I'm going to unbox the ring boxes. So I decided to subscribe on multiple bridal boxes because I'm getting married in August, and I don't know, I wanted to make wedding planning a little more fun, and I guess that's why I decided to join on different bridal boxes. And it gives you the chance, if you're thinking about joining on a bridal box subscription, it gives you the chance to see what you can get in the boxes. So I'm gonna stop rambling now and I'm gonna get to unboxing. But first I gotta tell you how much this baby cost, and I'm going to check now. Okay, so just like the other box subscription, you can have 3 different plans. You can set it up for 3 months, 6 months, or 9 months. I set up mine up for 3 months, so this one cost $38.50, and right now they have a 50% off. I'll leave you the code down below for the 50% off the first box. So the first box came up to $18.50, so not bad for a first box. Like I said, I'm only gonna have a 3-month box service because I'm getting married in August, so I guess that's appropriate. They're right, I don't know, whatever. Let's get into the box. The first thing you'll see when you get your box is the logo. It comes in another like packaging, so it comes really secure. I like that, and I like how like the branding of the company is all everywhere. And when you open the box, I just love this little message. There you go. I love that because I don't know, it feels like so, like it says congratulations, you're engaged, we are so excited to be a part of this journey with you, XO the ring boxes. That's so cute. So oh, it comes with your little wrapping paper, and this thing says you're getting married. This is like more information about what we have, but like I like to be surprised, so let's dig in. First thing I see is a gold foiled bridal sash. Oh, that's the thing you wear like on your bridal shower or your bachelorette, I don't know. So next thing I see is this little box. It's a white box, that's the ring boxes. Let me see if you can see it. It's a white box, has the ring boxes and has the logo. Ooh, that's so adorable. Let me show you. So it's a little necklace, and it says Mrs. That's so cute. So next thing I see is a, I'm guessing like a silicone ice tray. Oh, I'm gonna do that today. Oh, it says instructions: dress up your drink with this super cute diamond ice rings. Oh, that's cute. So it's like that. It's for your drinks. So this is it says with love from the ring boxes, but I'm not sure what it is. It's a little booklet. We'll see. Oh, this is like to keep track of your gifts. For example, it has this thing that, let's see, there you go, like who bought what, like names and all that, so you can send out your, so this is so you can send out your thank you cards. Oh, a tank top. I got this cute tank top. This is Bride. Now I think it's a little big. You do, when you sign up for it, you do customize what size t-shirts you want them to send you, and I chose a size large because I'm a little, you know, bigger up top, but I think they run very true to size, and I've lost some weight, so I need to change that. And the last thing I see is a cake topper. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not sure what I'm gonna do for my bridal anything. So it says bride to be. That's really cute and it's gold. So if I decided to use it, it will actually go with my wedding theme and colors. That's good. So that's that. And then you have your little worms. Yeah. Do I think it's worth it for the price? We'll see next boxes if I change my mind. But so far I like it. So if you want to keep watching more unboxings of this kind, make sure to be subscribed to my channel and turn your bell notifications on so you will be notified anytime I post a video. Also make sure to follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be linked down below and it's gonna pop out somewhere. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.